purchased this SmallRig follow focus. Well, it's a SmallRig mini follow focus for really one shot. And the shot is, well, let me not say one shot, but I got it for one shot and just to be more involved in the whole process of content creation or making videos. I love the fact of being able to focus or change focus from one item to another item, or from the subject to the to something in the background. Oh, this is nice. It comes in a case. I don't know if I'll continue to use the case. I probably will. We have a bracket. We have a tube. We have the wheel itself, which feels kind of smooth to me. Now, let me be clear, I have nothing to compare this to, so I'm just a fan of small rigs. This would go around your lens, and we have an Allen wrench to make adjustments. So, no instructions. Okay, this is really to go on my Sony ZV-E10. But since I'm recording with it, I'm going to put it onto my Sony A7 III. So no instructions comes with this. What we're going to do is we'll go off of really eye and what we've seen on other videos or other content creators that use similar systems and bigger. Step by step. We'll put this in here for now. And what we do know is that we'll put this on manual focus. Change that here. And our focus is control is out here. This is our zoom. And this is our focus. And we can see on the back of the camera it's changing. Okay, so let's turn the camera back off. And we will wrap our cable around. It simply slides in. So we'll wrap this cable around. Now this may be the funny part about it because I don't know where it starts and where it ends. Let's see if we can figure that out. Oh, it's a nice roll from infinity. Ooh. Let's see. Okay, so we start there. And it will go all the way around. Okay, so it's a 360. I'm going to start it over here. So I just need to make sure I pull this tight enough. Okay. We'll remove the cover, the protective teeth. the teeth protector off of that side. Okay, you can change these gears out. I don't want to do that. I just want to lock this in. I'm gonna adjust this where it extends further out. Okay. We'll tighten that up. I hope you can see that. Okay. We're gonna learn this together, okay? Okay, ideally that's the contact I want it to make. I have a little space to play in it. So I'm gonna lock it here. I'm gonna lock it here, where it lines up with the teeth. Okay. Let's see if we can play with it now. So we have it there, and if we change it to this, there. And there's also an option where you can adjust this tab and place your tooth here. And now you can preset your points. But just realize when you do this, you screw this down to hold that space, to hold tight. Now you're able to pull focus automatically. Let's set this up so you can see better. So we'll call it there. And then we will adjust here. I'm gonna call it here. I'm going to adjust this to right here. Pull it back. Now I can adjust that tighter. I'm gonna check my pull. Now I can pull a lot quicker. From here to here, back to here, back to here. Okay, something I've noticed. I better have this camera stationary when I do this. And pull it here. As you can see, now it's focused. So here to here. Well, I hope you get the gist of it. Do I like it? Yes. I'm going to mount this on a tripod. That way I don't have to worry about the camera moving in and out, changing my distance. And this focus pull will produce the look that I'm looking for. Is this a good buy? Yes. Am I glad I got it? Yes. Am I going to play with this more to get used to it? Of course.